I spy, my little eye, something beginning with loads of massive steel. That's going to be interesting.
Andrew wasn't kidding when he said the steel was big. I don't know how they're going to lift it and get it in, but that is huge.
It's taken a good 35-40 minutes for them to work out how they're going to get it all through and in and onto the drive and etc, etc. So they're about to have liftoff, I hope. Are now bringing in the steel. Just got back from being at a couple of kitchen shops, and these boys are working hard to try and get it in.
And the change in size to the footprints of the property, I've got between 1% and 20%, is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it a single story extension?
It's just a ground floor open plan kitchen extension.
Ground floor open plan kitchen extension.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
So Chris is just having to update the buildings and contents insurance, and our previous provider has cancelled because they don't insure for building works. So it's taken him about 2 to 3 hours to sort this so far. I've been on the phone because he can't do it online, so he's gonna need a beer afterwards.
All right, now that we've sorted the insurance, let's have a non-alcoholic beer to celebrate. I think we've got a 5 metre steel at the front there, and then we've got the 3 metre one behind it, and then we've got someone playing on the small bit of scaffolding, and then look at this bad boy. This is the 7 metre one, going all the way down there. I think that's going to take up the whole house, I think, which is pretty long. That's a pretty big, hefty bit of steel. It's taken the boys most of the afternoon to get it round. Bare hands and brute strength, which is pretty cool considering all the British firms we went to were wanting to use a crane to crane it over the house and charging an extra 6-7+ grand for that to happen. These boys just went in with muscles and protein, so fair play to them. Happy with that. Happy Friday.